Wrapping it up on Sports Spit, Pauly and Teddy betting insight today. Here we go. Time to turn the shot clock on. Biggest overachiever in Major League Baseball this season. I'm going to go with the Phillies and the Angels. Phillies win total 78.5. Other than the Nationals, who knows about the Mets? I don't think the Braves are going to be anything. The Marlins are going to lose 100 games. They signed Arrieta. They have a lot of young talent, guys that can hit. I think the Phillies can maybe be close to 500, make a wild card push. Let's not get carried away, but still I think they go over 78.5. And the Angels, 84. Trout missed 48 games last year. They still went 80 and 82 and were in the playoff race with a week left in the season. They bring in Kinsler. Who knows about Ohtani? Richard, see if he can stay healthy. If he's back, that's great work, and Socha did an excellent job. Those are my two. Angels, 84 win total, and the Phillies.
I'm going to take a look for my biggest overachiever. Let's get that shot clock on. Ding, ding, ding. Brewers, the Milwaukee Brewers, are lined at 84 wins. They're supposed to be slightly above 500. I think this team might be pretty darn good. And, of course, the markets are worried about starting pitching. They're going to focus, Jimmy Nelson's hurt. What's the back end of the rotation look like? No. This team can hit. Yelich, Kane, two huge additions to the front of that lineup. And then we like the bullpen, and Neville, Hader, big additions for the Brewers. I think they're contenders. Milwaukee, over 84.5. Yeah, this team's primed to be an overachiever. All right. Like the show? Help us keep the lights on. Please make sure to comment, share, and subscribe to all the Sportsbook Review videos. Thanks so much. Best of luck. Enjoy the games.